I got my game on.
I've got Southern comfort running through my veins. My mama was the wind and my daddy was a train. I'm the second coming of the midnight rider.